So today we're going to make banana fritters. So I've got bananas here, some ground nutmeg, flour, cinnamon, vanilla, demerara sugar. I'm going to use some salt, and you need this to crush the bananas and your measuring spoon. Okay, so let's strip all the bananas into a bowl. So now that we've stripped all the bananas, we're now going to crush them. So this is what it looks like once you've mashed it out. So I am going to add some water. You don't have to, but I just want to add some water to stretch my proportion. So I've got 1 cup of water here. Okay, we'll just mix that in. Okay, because I want to get more banana fritters out of this, that's the reason why I add 1 cup of water. But I wouldn't advise adding more than 2 cups of water to 6 bananas. Okay, so I've got 6 bananas in here, and as you can see, right, okay, so I can still see as much of the banana. You don't want to dilute it too much, otherwise it's gonna change the flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, also gonna have 1 teaspoon of salt, or half a teaspoon if you like. Okay, gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I'm going to add the sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't want it too sweet. Okay, guys? So 6 tablespoons of sugar. And now we mix. So at this point, you need to put your oil to hot. And with the amount of banana fritters you're going to get out of this, I suggest around 3 cups of oil. Okay, so now that I've mixed it all in, this is what it looks like. So depending on your liquids, you're just going to start measuring how much. So first I'll be adding 1 cup of flour. and this is a bit too thin, so I'll add another cup. So that's 2 cups so far. So this is it. Now that we've mixed it out, this is what it looks like. Okay, and our oil has been preheated. So let's pick up 1 spoon and let's test our oil. Okay, you want to lower your fritters like so. And I'm using my hand here, one hand to hold my camera and the other hand to transport the fritter. Okay. So it looks like so once you've put in the amount that you want, and it's going to take a little while for you to sort of separate them. Just make sure you have a very long fork. You can separate them. Okay, that one decided to turn over. Okay. Okay, so they're ready. We've got here our napkin. Okay. And this is our finished product. Okay, see how they look golden brown? So let us put it to the test. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, let's put this away. You want to try another one just to make sure it's looking really good. See? Perfect. Okay, this is what your fritters banana fritters supposed to look. Okay, and we can keep trying another one if you wish. See guys, you can see the banana, how moist it is. It's cooked. If it wasn't cooked, you would see it start running out of the batter would start running. Okay, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.